Okay, so last time we built all the pieces. There's part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and 5, which means we're going to have 2 of these pieces. 6 we have here, 7, 8 again, and we're going to assemble the piece together. So we're going to open up the file we worked on before. So if I close it, just for example, in this case it's open. I have it open, so I'm going to start a new file, like we've done before. Open a new file, go back over here, and now we're going to select everything we did before. So we select everything. So I'm going to do copy, for example, then go back to the new file and paste it in. Why am I doing this for? This way we have the pieces and we don't affect our other sheets that we had worked on before. So now we notice that this one here should be 2 times, so we'll copy it over. And like we saw before, this one here should be copied 2 times. So now we have both pieces covered together. The next step we're going to do is we're going to do what? Is we're going to start assembling. So let's go look at the assemblers page. So this is the assembly of what we're going to be building. So if you notice here, we have our pieces here. We have the first one at the bottom. There's the second piece, which is the little shelf area, which would be right over here. Then we have the third piece, which is the back. Then we have the fourth, which is the side. The fifth, which is the other side. Then comes the sixth piece, which is over here. The 7 is on top, and the 8 is over here. And then we're also going to do this view here at the end to show it when it's done. All right, so that's what we're going to be assembling today. So we took the pieces we already built on the last time in the first part. If you didn't see the first part, how we built them, you could look at the other one. It's called part 1. So now we're going to start assembling it. So let's go right away and put our 3D view. So I could do from which one to start. I'll start off with grabbing number 3, which is the one over here. I could have kept the names to make it a lot easier. Maybe I'll do that so we know which one is which. There we go. I'll keep the names for now, and I'll just copy this one over to this side, this one here, copy it over to the other side. So now we have the names. I did a little bit of undoing. It's okay. Let's go start assembling it. So now we have the first piece. So the first piece would be this guy over here. We're going to move him over here so it's out of the way. And then we're going to go to piece number, I guess we could build a frame right away. So let's do it from the top view. Let's go grab number 7 is on top. So let's move it on top here. Up here. We don't need this anymore. We're going to grab number 6 on the side. We're going to move it from this corner here. We're going to push it to this corner over here. Is this right? 5, 6? Yeah, it should be. Something looks wrong here. We're going to try it afterwards. This one here now. We're going to put it to the other side. We're going to mirror this over using the mirror command. We're going to grab this guy and we're going to move him to the other corner. We're going to check afterwards in 3D what's wrong with it. We're going to go here. Oh, there we go. It goes on the inside. That's what I did wrong. Go move. This piece here should go here. So now we have the frame. Now let's add the bottom part, which is P3. Move it up. And we're going to move it all the way up here as well. So now we have the 3 pieces set. Let's go look on the 3D how it looks. As of right now, they all look good except for a few. Some of them are a little bit higher. So these are good, the first 3. The first one we did was a little bit low. So we grab it, we move again, grab from the snap from one corner to the next. So now we have the completed whole piece. What we can do next is grab everything, use the 3D rotate that we worked on, and go on the red and go straight up. Accept. And now we have the top piece. We're going to grab now the whole completed piece, and we're going to move it on top of the part 1 that we worked on before, which is right over here. Right here is number 1. So now we have the assembly. So all that's missing now, we get rid of this, is we're missing, this one here would be the opposite as well. I can mirror or I can rotate it. P2. Yeah, P2 is going to be right over here. We're going to move it. We're going to go from here. We're going to move it up to right about, according to the picture, right below the piece. So we'll put it right halfway. Then we're going to grab it again, move again, move it. We're going to move, grab the solid, M for move, Grab from here, we're going to move it back over here. So now we have that other piece over there. The next piece we're going to do is we're going to rotate these guys. Rotate, use the red, and go straight up. We don't need this anymore. And we're going to bring it next to the last two pieces. So we're going to move this one here, right over here. And we're going to look again at the piece. If you notice in the front, it goes flat at the bottom and the cut is on the top piece. So when we're looking at this, we should technically rotate these guys. Rotate the blue straight so they're actually the same orientation. But again, if you notice, we did it the wrong way. So technically speaking, we should do rotate again, the blue, and go until we get to the other direction, like so. Now all we have left to do is just grab this piece here, move it from this corner here to this corner up here. There, that assembly is actually touching the bottom. We're going to go look at that afterwards of why that's working like that. Oh, that's why. See, we did a little mistake again. This piece here actually should move, go from this corner to this corner. That makes more sense. Now we can mirror to the other side, or we can continue building it by doing move, grab this corner right over here, and rotate the object, and put it over here. So as you can see here, we're connected the two pieces. There you go. So now it looks like it's actually done. Press the home button, and there's our assembly of the piece.